Hi Vans, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this eyeshadow look. So keep watching. Alright, so as you see, I did my face already, I did my brows. I kind of just wanted to focus in on the eyes this time. So let's get to it. Sorry, I just needed my adult juice. But anyways, I'm going to be using my James Charles palette. Obviously, this palette has been to hell and back. I've been using the crap out of this palette versus my other colorful palette, which is a 35B palette. But these are the colors, as you see. So today, I kind of want to just focus in on like the oranges and the pinks. I'm just winging this out. I don't think I've ever done this look before, ever. And then I'm going to be using this little glitter. I got it on Estée. So yeah, it's a cute little glitter. So let's go ahead and get to it. And like I said, I'm just winging this out. So we're going to wing this out together. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my blending brush. This is a generic one. And I'm just going to pick up the orange. So before I do that, I want to let you know that I did prep my eyes already and set it with the Airspun translucent powder, but this is what I use, and this one's the Makeup Forever full coverage concealer. And so let's go ahead and we're going to start in the inner corner. And I'm just gonna go in and do that. Don't be scared to, you know, take it up high. We're going to cut the crease as well, so that's been something I've been really into doing. Don't be afraid to play with color. I think that's one thing that I always struggled with was color, and then finally I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this. Who said I couldn't? So, yeah. See how pigmented that is? Just going to pack on a little more. It's all about blending, you guys. Okay, and so now that I've already done that, I'm going to go ahead and clean this off. The same brush. We're going to use the same brush. I'm not going to even make this difficult. Just going to wing this out, like I said. I'm going to go in with the pink. It's this like hot pink color right here. And then the orange that I went in with was this one here. And with that hot pink, just going to go right next to it. And then just tap, tap, tap. And just blend. And then keep packing it on. You want it to gradually look like it's seeping in with the orange. When you lose a little bit of that color, you just want to go ahead and go back in with the color that you're using, which is my orange, and go over it. So, looks crazy, right? But it's all going to come together. Go in with this purple right here. And I'm just going to find that depth. Like I said, with the same brush. So when I cut that crease, you'll be able to see that transition. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend that in so that those colors look seamless and there are no sharp lines. So now I'm going to go in with the same concealer that I used to clean up my brows and prep my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and grab some on a flat concealer brush or flat brush, and I'm going to find where I want to cut my crease. And so because I have hooded eyes, I have to fake it till I make it. So the way to do that is, if you're not very good at cutting crease, which I'm still learning, you guys, just look upwards and it'll draw that line for you. So want to take your time in doing this. And we're just going to tap until we get a circular motion. And this brush, you guys, like a flat brush really helps to cut a crease. I started realizing that a flat brush works better for me than using a angled brush. And I don't want to go all the way, so I'm just going to stop right there. Okay, so now that that is complete, I am going to go ahead and, let's see, set it with a white eyeshadow. And that's going to be this eyeshadow right here. And because of that glitter that we're going to use, it's going to draw enough attention. And I'm just going to pat it. Okay, and then you remember that purple color we went in with? We're going to go in with that purple color again. And we're going to blend it in with the pink and the purple now together. And I'm just going to go in right here so I can close that out. And I can gradually blend that in. I'm going to go in with the clean brush now. And bring that in some. Now I'm going to go in with a small crease brush, which actually works perfect for me. And I'm going to do the same exact thing underneath my lash line. But I don't want to do it too much. I'm just going to stick with 2 colors so that way it doesn't look so busy. Because there's a lot going on with the eyes already. Okay, so now that that is complete, you guys, I am going to go ahead and prep my eye for the glitter, which the glitter I'm going to be using is this one here. Like I said, I got it from Estée. But anyways, so I'm going to go in with my dual lash glue. I know this is really weird, but I saw this and I thought, oh, this looks easier. So yeah, I'm just going to go in right here. This is where I want my glitter to pop. Okay. And now I'm going to get a small brush. And for this, you guys, I'm going to use a lip brush. It works for me. So I'm going to pick up some of that glitter and just start patting it on there. And it's chunky glitter, so I freaking love this. And then just fix it to your liking. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and complete the other eye. Just want to brush this out. This is using the clean brush here. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like and apply the lashes. I'll show you the rest of the completed look. I'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to go in back with my brush real quick and just close this part and just bring in the orange. And on this side as well. Just to deepen that. See, it looks so much better. And I think I want to go underneath my eye and add a little bit of that dark purple. And put that on the outer corner. And then do that on this side as well. Just to give it some definition. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to put my lashes on and I shall show you how it looks. Okay, and now to top this off, I went ahead and put my lippy on, and I ended up using my Anastasia Beverly Hills This one is the color Pure Hollywood lip gloss, and then I also use my Estée Lauder, and it's the Pure Color Envy Liquid Matte in 103. So now to finish this look off, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And this thing, y'all, is like so amazing. I love this highlighter. Look how that shimmers, y'all. Like, you can't go away with this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my Mario Badescu spray. And there you have it, you guys. This is the final look.